What's up, guys? I just kind of woke up from a nap, so don't mind me. What we got here is the RTR back license plate part we're going to put onto the GT500. So, basically like such. I think it'll look cool. I want to do it. I know there's maybe a couple of GT500s that have it done. Why not? Can't hurt, right? Check it out. Let's do this install video. First thing first, taking off the plate. Up underneath here, we'll have to take these out as well. Should be screwed on there. So take those out. We'll go to the next step of actually popping this off. The car is dirty, obviously, because I drive it, which is good. It's a GT500. It's meant to be driven. Anyway, back to the task at hand. I'm using one of these right here to kind of pop out the light in here. So what I've been doing is kind of popping into the screw area. And there you go. Oh, there we go. I'm losing track of you guys. There we go. Now we have that out, we can go up into here and pop this out. Sometimes you gotta give it some tug and love, but yes. Finally getting this off, dirty, but popping it all out. Lovely. Next, I just cut out, oh, this piece. This piece is in here. I used a razor blade, scissors, whatever. Cut the one piece out. Now, since I cut out that one middle piece, I cut off this other part with the razor blade as well. Like I said, you could probably use the scissors and get more cleaner cut, but yeah, basically I'm pulling this out now that I cut it. You need those two pieces. I'll show you why. So basically like this, guys, template taped in. I'm gonna use this marker here to then go around here and then make the cuts. Make sure when you make the cuts from the inside, not the outside. I got my safety glasses on for the Dremel stuff. What do you think you're doing? Oh, be careful. You're dropping stuff now.
Please go right here.
Yeah, I know. Daddy needs to follow the rules. But yeah, so this is in. I made my cuts. Like I said, these cuts don't have to be perfect. And then obviously this is going to go in there. I don't have it in yet, but yeah. So looks good so far. There it is. It's in there good too. Clipped into the regular holes. I cleaned it up as well in the background. Made sure the wires are up above and zip tied in, so I ain't got to worry about that. But it looks great. We're all basically finished. Let's see what it looks like with this down. Obviously I got to clean the car. I know. That's not bad at all. I like it. Some people are probably thinking I'm crazy for doing this to a GT500, but it's my car. So, and it does obviously need a bath, really bad. But because of where I work, dust and stuff gets on the car pretty easily. And I have recently been parking in a different area. I just got to get around to cleaning this. We've been busy. Obviously, I'm a father of 2 kids with a wife. She just got done detailing my truck. Well, the inside. Now I got to hit the outside. I'll probably do both together, just to knock them both out with my pressure washer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll be gladly to answer your questions, comments, whatever. But yeah, about all this or any other videos I have. Now, I gotta get this plate back on there and drill some new holes. Be careful with these, because sometimes over time, depending on how much you take off the license plate, this plastic stuff can possibly crack, but you can get some taps as well. I gotta make new holes, but I'm gonna make sure I line up the plate first and everything else before I start making those new holes. But thanks, guys. Stay tuned for more content. I got the Fort Ippen, whatever you guys say, Ranger. It's just in here parked. I think she's dead. I don't know. No, she's on. All right. Catch you guys later. Thank you. Take care.